Good morning. Today you're going to read an article about credit and you're going to answer some questions about the article. We've been talking about credit and how it affects your life and how costly it can be if you let your credit rating become a poor credit rating. So what I want you to do is read this article first, and then you will find attached to this assignment the following question. And this kind of continues what we've talked about in class about how important credit is and your credit rating. Have a good day. So the questions are here. If you need to, you can refer back to the article to answer these questions, but please make sure you answer the first 4 on the first page and then the 5 on the second page. Please make sure you submit your answers in to Google Classroom for this assignment. Make sure you get them done on time